I am sitting in a 2017 Nissan Murano. We have no keys. This is a smart key. There's our start button right there. Here's our new key right here. Let's go ahead and get started here. Murano. Key coding. 17. Z52. Smart 1. Program key. Hazard lights are on. Okay. Once you get to the all keys deleted section and hit OK, you're going to see a little status bar on the screen and followed by a tone. Once that has happened, the car is in learning mode. The machine doesn't need to do anything from that point other than cycling your keys and closing them down. So let's hit OK. There's our tone. Okay, that's it. Now what you want to do first is you're going to push the button with your finger first, then hold the fob up. You'll see the light flash. It's flashing. Hold it up. Helps if I turn it the right way. Here we go. There's one. Turn it off. Press it again. It'll flash. Hold the fob up to it. Turn it off. Key registration is complete. Turn the flashers off. Lock, unlock. Everything works. All done.